So, hello students. Here in this lesson, we are going to learn the human body structure. Okay, how a human body is, right? So here I prepared a chart work for the better understanding purpose. So listen and see here carefully. I just show you in this chapter. I will just show you that how the human structure is arranged. Okay, now you can able to see the human body like this, where externally outlook of the human body, where you can able to see the head portion, and you are able to see the neck, right? So this, if we take entire this region, is said to be a head portion. So here we are having vital organs, very sensitive even, like eyes, nose, mouth, ears, etc. So we can able to expose outside. They are present outside of the body even. And here if we come, we are having a neck. Here we are having a neck. This is neck. And coming to the point here, this is limb, L-I-M-B, limb. Here it is a limb. We call them as, generally in language we call them as hands, but actually they are limbs. We have 4 limbs in our body. This is, if we take 1, if we take, this is 2, and here at the bottom we are having a leg. We call them as leg. 3, here it is 4, leg. That means we are having totally 1, 2, 3, 4 limbs, out of which these 2 are called forelimbs. F-O-R-E. F-O-R-E. 4 L-I-M-B-S. These are forelimbs. Hands, in generally they are called hands, but actually in a biological terms they are called 4 limbs. F-O-R-E. Okay, before F-O-R-E, 4 limbs. Another 2 limbs are there, right? This is the third one and fourth one. In general language, these we call legs, but actually in a biological terms they are called hind limbs. Hind limbs. Okay, this is external structure. Again I'll show you head, neck, N-E-C-K, neck. This neck, head, and hands are 4 limbs. Hands are 4 limbs, and legs are hind limbs, right? Rest of the body is there, right? Below the neck to the thighs here. We call this part as trunk, or deeperly inside it is body cavity. It is body cavity, and more briefly we study about it, but just we in this class I just show you the external features. At the same time, deeperly if you go into the body, how our body organs are arranged. Okay, now I'll just if we take it out, this outside of the body, the like external structure, if we just go into the dissection of our body, like cut and show inside the body parts, it will be like this. I'm just taking out topmost layer of our body, that is skin. Okay, just here it is. If we just take the skin, topmost layer of our body, it is like this, right? So just below the skin, underneath the skin of our body, we can able to see this, see there. And so you can guess, you can imagine now what are the structures are called as. Nothing but they are blood vessels. The blood vessels in which the blood flows here, right? The blood flows in these tubular parts of our body. We call them as arteries and veins. Arteries and veins, in which the blood flows always from the heart. Okay, heart exactly will be not here. I'll show you later. But appearances, heart actually present in the deeper layer. It cannot be seen, but Only the thing we can able to see the blood vessels like this, just underneath the skin. Okay, these are projected even topmost layer of the body as deeper layer of our body. These blood vessels can be there on the topmost layer and deeper layer of the body. Okay, wherever you see our body, there the blood vessels are occupied, right? So, more deeperly if you see, almost all like you can able to see and you can able to guess it. It is muscular system of our body, right? Yes, the muscles gives strength to the body, strongness to the body, and useful for the movement of the bones. Bones makes the movement of our body with the help of this muscles, even, right? That is muscular system. With even including this, even in this muscular system also, blood vessels are arranged. Blood vessels are remains in it. They are topmost layer, their present topmost layer, and extend deeperly into the muscular system also. This is muscular system of our body. And if you go more deeper into the muscular system, just take it out the muscles outside, and we can able to see the internal parts of the body, right? Just we can able to see the internal parts of the body. Even this is head, this is head separately, you can able to see it, head portion. If you take it outside, you can able to see inside. So what we can able to see here, it is either food pipe, right? Digestive system at most. Here is a stomach. Here is a stomach. This is liver, right? Brown color, you are able to see it. This is stomach, and here it is small intestine. This area, this portion, folded structure, and finally this will lead to the opening of this big tubular part, large tubular part. This is called large intestine. Rectum through the anus, it is opens outside of the body, right? This is digestive system of the body, which includes food pipe, liver, stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus, etc. So if we just take this digestive system out and see there, we can able to see the ribs. See how the ribs are arranged. Just see here, I've got ribs are opened like this. When you open the ribs, inside you can able to see the lungs. Wow. Okay, you can able to see the lungs. See, their lungs are get protected by the ribs. External injury do not takes place for the lungs because of they are very protected in a bony cage, rib cage, right? This is lungs. Lungs deeperly inside having tracheoles. They are the tubular parts which supplies the air, which supplies oxygen to the lungs here and here and here. From the nose we take here inside. And if you come bottom of it, you are having kidneys. So we can open the kidney. This is not packed kidneys. See there, kidney, urinary tract. This is ureters, and from ureters urine excrete out, right? And if we open these lungs out, like just close to the lungs only, exactly in the middle of the lungs, maybe a slight for the better understanding that this chart work is made like this, but this is a portion actually called heart. Heart is present exactly in the middle of the lungs, both the lungs, either side of the heart, lungs will be there actually. So see here, this is heart. The heart has 4 chambers: auricles, ventricles. Auricles upper 2 chambers, ventricles lower 2 chambers. This is heart. And deeperly inside there is again, see there here, right from the head portion to the thighs down here, bottom of the body. Okay, we are having a bony structure here, which is made of small bones are united, joined together, which is very flexible. We call this as common language backbone, right? This is backbone, also called vertebral column. Vertebral column, having again ribs here at the same time. So again, if you go into the head portion, you are having brain, having a brain. This is the structure of your human body. Just for understanding, for just imagination how human body is like this. So we go back again, like, see there, just close it. This is the heart. And the heart, either sides of the heart there is lungs. Lungs are gets protected by the bony cage structure, rib cage. And here we are having kidneys. And again there is digestive system like this. See your digestive system like this. Okay, this is present people inside only. Below the liver it is not present actually, like this. Okay, right. Now muscular system. Yes, muscular system. And this are having given circulatory system called blood vessels and heart. And we are having externally surface skin. Yes, yes, this is what the human structure is. Thank you. So please make it a note of the things what you have seen here. If possible, try on your own also, like this is a structure, how just prepare a model. That's not wrong, right? So make it a note and keep going and studying about this. If you want, make it a notes of it, right? Thank you. Bye.